G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make something really quick and simple like I always do. I'm going to show you how I make baked chicken thighs in creamy mustard sauce. This is so yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
For this we're just going to make the sauce. Just get about 2/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard. Then add about 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. And add a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Just mix this through. And get a baking dish, one that's not too big, probably about 6 by 8, 8 by 8. Put in some chicken thighs, just enough that will cover it. Just season with a bit of salt and pepper. Now get your mustard mixture and pour it over the thighs. Now just turn them over so you can get the mustard mixture on this side, and just quickly season this side. Now preheat your oven to about 220 degrees Celsius, which is about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop these in there. After about 20 to 25 minutes, just get the juice and give them another baste. Then put them back in the oven for another 20 to 30 minutes and they should be done. Right, so take out of the oven at this point and just get the juice and put it over the top like this. Just want to baste it about halfway through. Now once you've finished putting the sauce back over it, just get a little bit of thyme, sprinkle over the top. Now just pop this back in the oven for about 20 minutes or so and it should be done. Oh yeah, that is done. Now just leave it in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then just take it out, put it on the plate, and then we're going to get the sauce and whisk the sauce and then pour some of the sauce over the chicken and then we eat it. Oh, so yummy. Now once you've taken the sauce out and whisked it, just pour it over the chicken. Oh, yum yum. Just serve up and eat. You can have it just like that, have it with veggies. I like to have it with sweet potato, mushrooms and broccoli. Well, I hope you like this. Look at that. Look at that succulent yumminess. That was so good. Holy moly. I'll see you next time for my next meal.